Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. And the first thing I want to show you is you can easily split the screen. So that means you can let run two apps here at the same time. Why not? The screen is large enough. Maybe if you want to watch a YouTube video while checking something on the internet. Let me show you what I mean. First of all, we need to open the app you want to have on top here. Let's follow our example with YouTube then. Okay. And take then the phone, take two fingers and swipe them from below to the middle, and then you have split the screen. Now you can choose the app you want to have below. Maybe let's continue with our example, the internet browser. And now I'm having here on top YouTube and below the internet browser. But don't wonder if this doesn't work at you, because you have to enable this feature first. Let me show you how. So just scroll down here, tap on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And here we will need the point Multi-Window. And I recommend to you to enable the first 2 points here, swipe for split screen and swipe for pop-up view. So that means if you want to split the screen, now open the app you want to have on top first. In our case it was YouTube. Take the phone, take two fingers, swipe them to the middle, and you have split the screen now. Now you can choose below the app you want to have below the internet browser or any other app like the gallery maybe. And now I'm having it on top YouTube and below the gallery. With the 3 points here, by the way, in the middle, you can swipe it a little bit more below to have more space here for your video, and swipe it up if you need more space for the gallery or whatever app you have below here. If you want to close it, just scroll it down to open the YouTube, so the first app on top, or scroll it up if you want to have the gallery or the app you have below here on the full screen. But if you want, you can open also apps in a pop-up view. So let's keep going on with our example YouTube here. And if I want to open YouTube now in a pop-up view, just swipe gently here from the corner to the middle of the screen. Leave your finger if you have the perfect size. And now with the blue bar, you can move it to any position, and you can you can watch the video while doing something else on the smartphone. Pretty nice. Now if you finish with that, just tap on the blue bar here, go on the X, and it disappears. And if you want, you can open a second hidden space. Maybe one for your private stuff then, and one for your very private stuff. Or one for your private stuff and one for your business stuff. Works also. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, tap on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point Security and Privacy. And here we'll find the point Secure Folder. Okay, just go and continue. And now you have to enter your Samsung account in case you haven't done it before. And if you don't have a Samsung account right now, you can create one with your Google account. So later then just go and continue. And the phone is creating now this Secure Folder. This takes a few seconds. That's the reason why we will forward the video right now. Okay, now we are in the next step here, because we can give now a password or PIN or a pattern to make the secure folder a bit more safe. So I'm the fan of the PIN, so I will take the PIN. Now enter a PIN you want to have. I will choose 4 times the 9. Please take a better one. And I would recommend to you also to hit that button here, because then you don't have to confirm always with OK if you enter the PIN. Okay, just go and continue. And the code is not the best. That's the reason why he's disturbing now. I will use it anyway. Okay, now confirm the PIN from before. Please take yours. In my case, it's 4 times the 9. Tap then on OK to confirm. And if you want to be safe, if you delete this second space here one day, turn it on. It makes a copy then in the Samsung account. Okay, you can add also fingerprints later to start this folder much faster. I will skip that because it's taking too much time. So now we are in the secure folder. So I'm having here in the secure folder an own camera, and all the pictures I'm taking here in that secure folder, like for my hand here, are still in the secure folder. What is very nice, they're only visible here in this secure folder gallery. And also the internet browsing history is only visible here at this secure folder. So all the websites I'm surfing on here on this in this secure folder stays here visible only in this secure folder. You can have own contacts. completely separated from your main space. You have own calendar entries. You have your own notes, your own files like PDF files and so on. And if you want, you can add also with a plus symbol here some other apps, like WhatsApp. So then you have a second WhatsApp account, by the way. Also, all the messages which one comes here stays only visible here in this secure folder. But you can add also some apps you don't have right now on your phone. Just tap on the plus symbol and you can download now apps here from the Galaxy Store or from the Play Store. And then you have much more stuff, and you can have apps then which one are not visible on your phone, only visible here in the secure folder. Okay, let me show you now how you can enter the secure folder. So yeah, it's pretty easy. It's a part of the app drawer here. Here is the secure folder. Pretty easy. But hold on, it doesn't ask for a PIN code right now. Yes, it's only if you put your phone on standby and turn it on again, then you have to enter this PIN code. In case you want to have it more secure, then just tap here on the 3 points, go on settings, go then on auto lock secure folder. And here you can set up a time if you want, or the best is each time I leave an app, the secure folder will be locked. And if you say, okay, you want to do it for your business stuff and you don't need it to unlock it so often, then choose the last point here when phone restarts. Not only if you turn off your phone completely and turn it on again, then only he asks for this secure folder PIN. So choose the one you like. Okay, let me show you now how you can transfer existing data from the main storage to the private space. So in case you're having pictures and you think, okay, this belongs better to the secure folder, then just go on the 3 points, go on the point add files, and I can choose if you want to transfer images, videos, audio, documents, my files from your main storage. Let's take maybe the images and yeah, choose now the pictures you want to have. Maybe it's me here. I belong to the secure folder, maybe then choose other pictures. Yeah, just me again. Okay, go then on done. Go then on move. Now if you tap copy, that's just for the safety, but the original stays then in the main gallery. So just go on move, and then this picture is only, or these pictures are only visible now here at the gallery in the secure folder. In case you don't want to have this symbol here for the secure folder, there are people out there who knows already about this is something hidden, and if you don't want that someone really knows about it, you have some hidden stuff on your phone. So just enter the secure folder, go on the 3 points here, go on customize, because then you can give the secure folder yeah, another style. And yeah, let's take maybe a star here. So it looks much different right now. Then give here another name, like, I don't know, Q folder or whatever. Apply. So, and then this looks like this, Q folder, or give another name completely, and it looks much more, yeah, like something else. Okay, let me show you now how we can easily start the camera. Just double press the power button and you immediately add the camera without missing time. And what makes it great? This works also if the phone is folded. Even now I can double press the power button and I'm immediately at the camera without missing time. If I want to take pictures, I can use the volume keys. And then I can take a picture. Anyhow, if it's the volume down or the volume up button, I'm having a picture. And if I want to make a selfie, I could hold the phone like this, lift my hand, and the phone will recognize that I want to make a selfie and make one. So pretty nice. This works also if the phone is unfolded, by the way. I can also lift up my hand to take a selfie, or I can use the buttons here to make a picture. Okay, if you're on the camera right now, let me show you also something pretty cool. Let's change first here to the main cam, to the rear cam. Let me take a picture of 2 coins, because you can also delete stuff in your picture, erase some stuff. Let's tap here on the preview, or I can do it also from the gallery. And then let's take the pen here to edit the screenshot. Now, first of all, you can cut something here. It's pretty nice, but I want to have something here at the 3 points because we have an object eraser. Tap on it, we can choose now an object we want to erase. Maybe let's take the coin here. Take also the outside, no? And then it's marked and go on erase. Gone. Crazy, isn't it? And what is pretty crazy, my table here have a little structure. Can you see that? And even the structure of the table is imitated right now and is almost invisible. Even if I know that there has been something, I can't really see it. Pretty cool. After, just tap on done. Don't forget to go on save after. And if you want to overwrite the original, just tap on save again. And now it's part of your gallery. Pretty nice. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is to save energy. This phone have a power saving mode here. May you run out of energy here with your battery, then you can enable something nice and you can squeeze out the maximum of it. Let me show you how. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time. By the way, we have much more icons here. And one of it is the power saving mode. Just tap here on the battery to enable it. Then the screen brightness will decrease a bit, the CPU speed is limited, and so on. So a nice mode. This is a light mode, but you can use also the extended mode. Let me show you a bit more about. So let me off it first. Now tap here on the written word, power saving, go in details. And yeah, now you have an overview what happens if you enable the power saving mode just like this, so the light mode. But if you want to squeeze out the really maximum, I recommend to you the last point. Let's enable it. Okay, so actually we are reducing the CPU speed, as I said, to 70%. We decrease the screen brightness, we turn off the always on display, the 5G, and some background activities. Let me on now this mode now with limit apps and home screen. Let's have a look how it looks like. We have a limited apps home screen now. We have a dark mode, what saves a lot of energy, by the way, because of the AMOLED display. And we can now choose also some most important apps for us. Pretty nice mode. And by the way, you will extend the battery lifetime here for 3 times. So if you're really in need for energy, I really recommend to you to enable this mode because this can save your life 1 day. So if you have the chance later to charge your phone again, you can easily leave it by just tapping on 3 points, exit, also turn off power saving. And then you're back in the regular mode and nothing is deleted in the background or something like this. It's just an interface which one reduces the activities on the phone to a minimum. And as I have said, it extends the time for your battery for 3 times. So you should know about. And if you want, you can make also pictures here of the screen, and for that you will have 2 ways for it. Let me show the first one. We will need the power button and the volume down button. Just press these both buttons for short together and you're having a picture of the screen. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot, or you can share it with WhatsApp, Telegram, and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button, just for short together, and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now the editing symbol, you can draw something now inside, you can highlight something, or the corners you can crop also a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website, or hey, why not someone's WhatsApp status and so on. No? Okay, after you can share this edited part, or with arrow, you will send it to your gallery. But there's a second way, a pretty nice way, by using the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. By the way, this works also from the other direction. And even if your phone is folded, just tap the power button and the former volume up button, or now it's down, together, and you're having a screenshot as well. And if you want, you can take also a video of your screen actions here. We have already here a built-in screen recorder. Let me show you how you can use it. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you will have here the screen recorder. And first of all, we have to choose our sound source. And if you don't want to have any sounds, if you want to have the media sounds, so the sound of the app, or next to the app sound, also the microphone, in case you want to explain something. Okay, the last point is also pretty important. Show taps and touches. No one knows where you have tapped the screen if you want to explain something, and also the buttons. So which buttons you have pressed and so on. With that you can make it visible. So on the screen you will see then a little animation. Okay, let's start with a screen recording right now. We have a little countdown, and then we have this little bar here. Now this bar is movable to any place, and if it disturbs you, you can also tap on the arrow here, then it's almost invisible. Just swipe it out if you need it again. We have nice tools here, like a pen, no? In case you want to explain something, you can do that now. Explain with some some drawers here on the screen. If you want to move now on the screen, it's not possible anymore. It's the reason why you have to remove then the pen, and then you can move the screen again. With this icon here next to, you can enable also the front cam, and everyone can see you during the recording. With the pause symbol, you can pause the video and continue the same video at the same time again. And with the stop symbol, you will stop the video. Let me show you a bit more stuff here. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and tap on the written word here, screen recorder, because then you can set up next to the sound source again also the video quality. In case if you want to send a tutorial to your friends, it is better to choose the lowest one, because your storage is limited. So you don't need the highest one, just if you want to record maybe a game and to if you want to publish it, or a tutorial you want to publish, then take the highest one. But normally for your friends, you just want to explain something simple, the lowest one is also okay. You're going to find the screenshots and screencasts after, of course, at the gallery. Here the pictures, by the way, they're mixed up with your camera, photos and pictures. So this is why I recommend you to go to the albums, because the screenshots and the screencasts have here their own folder only for your screenshots and screencasts. Okay, the last feature I want to show you is a virtual assistant. It's very good to recognize its text. It's the reason why the book is here. Let me show you a bit more about it. Let's tap here on the camera, go on More, and tap now on Bixby Vision. Okay, now we have a little bar here, and text and translate. The rest doesn't work so well. So, okay, just go on text, and let me hold now my phone over the book, and now the phone is recognizing the text. Takes a few seconds, and then I can really work here on this text and mark something. I can copy something. Let me mark something of the text, and I can copy it. I can even translate it and so on, what is pretty nice, and it's perfect for your studies. Apropos translation is also a nice tool here, and we go back. Let's go and translate, because I can do the same with translation. I hold my phone over the book. The book is in German, by the way, and the phone makes a live translation. Can you see that? He choose the same letters. So pretty nice. Very well for your holidays, by the way. And I can copy also the text and work directly on it. So very nice for your holidays. If you want to go to a restaurant and want to check the card there, now you know what you will order. And also for the studies, you can check books which one have not your language, and you can translate them immediately. And the phone is auto-detecting also the language, so you don't have to tell the phone this is the language now. You know what I mean? The only thing is you need internet for the translation. I hope I could help you with this video and show you some nice tips and tricks and so on. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.